guys, so we're at our first stopover. I couldn't vlog this morning because I wasn't really feeling that well, but yeah, we're going to Alberta. It's just sinking into me now. We're finally going out of Saskatchewan. Sorry if I look like this. How good can I? But yeah, we're at Walmart and then we just ate lunch here at RV, and then there's buying McDonald's inside, and then we're gonna go. It's been what, 3 hours I think, and we have 7 more hours. Yeah. So we're gonna go somewhere and then look at the view here. We couldn't see it like last night because we arrived here at like 10 p.m. and we couldn't see this. But look.
Hi! Miss you, Hack family. I miss you, Kuya. Wish you were here next time. Come with us.
Wait lang, i-flip ko.
Yay! We're the bomb! In the bomb! In the bomb! In the bomb! Pero pa rin nanonood.
Ganda.
Oh, 300?
Pero hindi naman siya bawal picturean.
Ang yung pinicture mo sila siya sa inyo dati.
So we're here at Santo Bow Falls.
Bow Falls! Look at the Bow Falls! Bow Falls! Ano tayo ba? Ano ba?
Hindi, mami. Next time ka. Ano mga kanyalis?
So now, basically, we're already walking down the Banff area, you know. Let's look around this spot, see? There are lots of mountains and, you know, look around. Oh, it's nice. So guys, you know, we're in the Banff area right now. And we're basically, you know, finding a place to eat.
Not very good with people. If you don't start a conversation, you won't have one. Not very good with people. If you don't start a conversation, you won't have one. We won't have one. If you don't start a conversation, we won't have one. We won't like walking through the sky where the stars come and go. It's the light within my reach, not as distant as it seems. Dreams are moments, night is long, yet we linger in the past. Tell me, do you feel the same? I can take you far, far away, far enough for us to disappear. Should you feel a little scared, know that I'm still right here. It will be a little bittersweet.
Are you sure about that?
Feel a bit surreal. Just see the stars run past you as you drift apart in the air, like the leaves riding on the autumn breeze, like the days gone too far for us to see. We move on and live it as it is, but once in a while, let the reminiscence brighten this melody. Leaves riding on the autumn breeze, like the days gone too far for us to see, like the leaves riding on the autumn breeze, like the days gone too far for us to see.
3.
Nandito na po kami sa tuktok ng bundok.
2, 3.
Ganda kasi nung... Ate Chris, kaya mo yan.
Ha?
Can it be borrowed from one?
20 years ago.
Ano nga rin mataas, pero... Ayun lang. Ayun lang siya. Yung kanaya, nasa tuktok ng bundok. Pero yun lang.
Suka tayo ang gabi tayo. Crazy. That's funny.
For the sake of art, my friends.
Ang ganda.
Baba na, me. Baba na.
Isalute sa bro.
Umintay mo. Umintay mo. Okay mo? Agad ni kayo.
Pwede explain ito, no?
Sakit ulo po si Kuya. Sakit ulo po si Kuya.
I just want to let you guys know there's probably gonna be 7 parts in this vlog because we're gonna be here for 7 days. So yeah, just letting you know.